welcome to my channel. My name is Laquelle. If you're new here, welcome. I'm new. No. So today we did this look here and I'm actually feeling it. If you want to see how I achieved this look, just keep watching. Okay, so as you can see, my eyebrows are already done. I did them off camera because it takes forever. Prep and prime my face with the MAC. I'm going to take my damped beauty sponge and I'm going to apply my foundation. I like this concealer. I haven't used it in so long, so I was like, let's bring that out. So I'm going to set my cream contour with this. And then I'm going to use my Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the color Banana to set my highlighted areas. To take this MAC little brush that I had from a gift set from so long ago and just put it in there. I'm going to go in with the Kylie highlighters in the color Strawberry Shortcake. So now we're going to do the eyes. I'm going to go in with this Kylie Diary palette. I've never used this before. It looks like this. I'm not going to do a review because this shit's old. There's no need. I'm going to go in with this one. I'm going to take that and I'm going to use that as a transition shade. To go in with a different Kylie palette, I'll go in with the bronze palette. I'm going to take this color bronzite, or I don't know, just to make it look good. And then bring it over just a little bit into that crease. I'll go in with a clean blending brush and just buff all of that out. I'm gonna put some more. So I'm going to do the other eye off of camera and then I'll be back. Okay, so now that both eyes are done, I'm going to go ahead and go in with some mascara. Now I'm going to put on my eyelashes, lower eyelashes, and I'm not doing eyeliner because I suck. Okay, I never do eyeliner. So I'm gonna try this. My Kylie eyeliner in black. Dang, whole face Kylie. Kylie concealers, because I heard that they're really good. I'm going to take the black from here. I'm not even going to pronounce these words because I know I ain't saying them right. So what's the point? I don't know. I don't even know where to start. And I'm just going to take this brush and just set that. This is the Smashbox eyelash primer, photo finish eyelash primer. That primer is drying. I'm going to go in with, haven't brain exposed out in a minute, okay? But I am going to still go in with my Holy Grail, if I can find it, Club Hopper. To invest in a new mascara. Now that I have all of that done, I need to do something to this hair. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Hit that post notification button so that you are notified every time I post a video.